Okay, now let's create edit product page. So if we go to the HTML file and if we see here that we have provided a link for edit product. Okay, this is the edit product link here. So in this page, what would happen is it would be the same form as create product page. So firstly, let's include a route for this edit product. Okay, so here will be the route file that will be created. Okay, so we have a get mapping since we are taking the edit route, and then this is the dynamic ID that will be used in the function. So we need to include the import class of this, okay, of path variable and int ID. Now this page will have to create under products directory. Okay, under templates, products, and edit product.html file we'll have to create. Okay, so let's create a file under this. So it will be edit product. So we'll go to new, create file, edit product, and save this file. Okay, so this file is created here. And now we need the controller data, like we need the ID and fetch the details from the database. So we'll create a try and catch block, and this is the code here for getting the data of that ID. So I'm getting the data of the product by find by ID. Then I'm setting it to the product variable, and then I'm creating a product DTO object. Remember, we need this to validate the data and set the data as we have done it for the create product form. And then I'm setting the product DTO as well to the product DTO object. Okay, and then if errors, it will redirect to the products page. And this is the page that we'll be using now, edit product. Okay, so let's copy the create product page here. Let's copy all of this code and let's paste it in this file here. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll change the action of the form. Okay, so we'll just put this action here. Okay, like product ID will be the parameter, and edit, this will create another method for post mapping. So now also we'll create a new field of ID here. So if you go here, and we'll include this product.id field here. Okay, this will this will be read only product ID, and we'll remove the placeholder from this page. Okay, so this is the product for edit product form, and we'll rerun the application now. Okay, the compilation is finished, and we can see that we can reload this page and see if it is working. Okay, it is working. Then now we click on create edit product, and we can see that all the description of the product has appeared here. Okay, let's change the create product to edit product, and edit product, and also change the button name to update. Okay, we have restarted the server, and we can see edit product appears here. Okay, so now what would happen is whatever the validations are, that would work from the product DTO model. And even if we say submit here, we are seeing error because there is no method here for product update. Okay, so let's create a method now in the project products controller. So if we go here, so we'll need to add a post mapping method here. Okay, we will add the post mapping method here. So this is how the post mapping edit method would look. So this is the post mapping, and edit and ID is the same method from the actions tab. So we are taking the path variable, then we are taking the validity if all the data is set and validated from this product DTO object. Okay, and then we are binding the results. Okay, now if we have error, here, it will go to the edit product page. Okay, so I'm just saving this and let's rerun this application. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, and then let's update this product description here, or we'll just remove, since we are not saving anything, we'll just remove this. Say update. Okay, there is no white label error. Class path, template products, edit product. So I'm getting some error here. Okay, we are facing the issue of the product ID, which is not getting displayed here. So what happens is if I do this and if I update, you can see I'm getting this error. So how would we would resolve this by using the model variable here. So what happens here is this product, okay, product.id. When we return to this edit page, it does not have this product.id. So in order for this page to have it, when after getting errors, we need to include a model, and model, okay, with comma here. And then we have a model, so we need to add the product. We need to get the product ID, add the product, and then model.add attribute product and product. So if we do this and rerun the application, then this issue would not arise. Okay, let's rerun this application and check if our validation error is appearing now. So let it run under port 8080. So it started. So we'll say edit product. Now we'll remove the description here. Okay, and we'll say update. And we can see that it gives me error now. Okay, so this is how we resolve this issue. And next we need to save the updated product into the database. So to save the data into the database, we need to add this code. So it will find the product now. So we'll retrieve the product, okay, if it exists in the database, and we'll create an object of existing product. And the same way we will update the fields, like using setters, a set name and product DTO.get name. So this is how we will set the data, and then we will save the existing product here. Okay, this is how we will save the existing product, and everything works. Then we'll redirect the user to the products listing page. So now I saved this. Now I need to rerun the server. Okay, when I rerun the server, I'll see if it runs on port 8080. Okay, it started. So let's refresh this page, and I'll say this as a laptop, Acer laptop. Let's say Acer laptop, Acer. Brand will be Acer. Category will be computers, and cost will be 2000. And it's a laptop for programming. So if I try and update this now, if I'll go ahead and update this, and it will show me the updated record here. So the data is getting updated and our edit form is working. Okay, in the next video we'll work on the delete functionality of this CRUD operation.